Alright, welcome. We are doing Overpass today. And just like the stream title says, we're going into a blind. Didn't think I was even going to stream today, but we are. So here we are streaming, and we are going to try this out. So exit, clear, exit, and clear. CD back, and we'll make a directory Overpass. So it says we'll have a group of broke computer science students try to make a password manager. Obviously, a perfect commercial success. So go ahead and copy that to clipboard. There was a code that has been claimed. It was actually claimed in 2020, so probably not a very big, a little bit older box. Well, let's go ahead and do our regular mmap scan here. So we got mmap, tac-p, tac, tac-pn, don't ping, tac-vv, very verbal, timing to 4, 1 up from default, and no DNS lookup. So we got port 22 and port 80 so far. Let's go ahead and check out that port 80. Alright, people reuse the same password multiple times. Download Overpass, start keeping track of passwords. So we can actually download Overpass like right here. We have our source code though. We have source code and also the build script like right here. That might be something that we want to look at. Have Golang installed. Need a binary for 32-bit systems. Want to build your own binary, make a save, grab the source code here. Let's grab the source code. Let's also grab the build script. And let's go ahead and just start kind of clicking around on this thing. We got about us. We have a couple usernames here, maybe. What we got here? Okay, nothing really in there. Nothing too important. Yeah, right. It's because the Romans use it, doesn't make it military grade. Change this. Overpass allows you to securely store passwords for every service protected using military grade cryptography. So we're probably looking for something that the Romans used, maybe like a ROT 13. You know, that might be something that the Romans used. I don't know what they used on their stuff, but maybe something like that. Just kind of having. So let's go ahead and also run a third buster scanner, right? Python 3. Dir search py. We'll use common.txt for now. And we'll go ahead and run this. I'm also going to open up, let's try robots.txt. Let's say I'm going to open up Zap also. Let's try robots.txt first. 404 page.found. Just to make sure it's nothing weird, because that 404 is kind of weird to me. Alright, we have 404 HTML. That's kind of weird. That's literally one that we also have an admin page, so there might be an admin login. That's something else to check out, like right there. I'm gonna try that 404. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to /admin. We do have an admin with a login. Let's try admin. Incorrect credentials. All right. DB2 admin. I don't know what that even is. DB2 admin. Okay. We can always try. All right. Doesn't look like it's SQL. We can even grab this guy. No, there's no PHP. Question mark. ID equals admin HTML. Cookie JavaScript. Might be able to look at something like that. So we want to look at cookie.js. We did download those things too, right? So maybe something else we want to look at. Function. That's kind of a pain to read. That's even worse to read. Okay. Finding the use strict function arguments length. Term replace, boom, boom, with attributes. So we want to check out that file that we downloaded. When we have downloads, we already went there. Let's go ahead and cd that off. Well, actually, let's go and copy from downloads. And I have a lot of stuff in here, so I don't remember what it was even called. That's something I might want to look at again. What was that stuff actually called? Go ahead and see what that overpass.go. There we go. There's one of them most likely. And the other one was what? Let's go back to downloads. Build script is buildscript.sh, and then source code I take is overpass.go. Yep. So buildscript.sh. Okay. Copy. Downloads. Buildscript.sh. Alright. Also have image. I mean, we got a bunch of things coming up over here. Just go and check out that build script. Overpass Linux. Builds, Overpass. Okay. So that's not really giving me too much like right there. That's showing me the different builds. Let's go ahead and cat that overpass.go. Here we go. Start to look through this guy, see if we can find anything. Import Bufio, GitHub.com, Mitchell Go, Home Dir. Name string JSON. Okay, there's that. Join result. String to right, ROT 47. There you go. Figured it would be a ROT something, so ROT 47 it looks like. Credits to JSON, so we're definitely using ROT 47 there. Load the actual encrypted file. Decrypt passwords, ROT 47, string buffer, okay. Load decrypted passwords. I don't know, is this like a buffer overflow? I don't think it is because it's easy room, so I don't think it is. It's login, whatever that means. It's login or login. I don't know what that means. So login.js, we found admin.js, right? Well, we found admin, we also have login.js. That'd be something. JavaScript. Login. Huh, okay. Let's try login.js, main.js, all that good stuff. Methods post, application, redirect. We don't always want JSON back. Session token, window location equals admin. Yep. There's a session token. Are we like doing some type of like cross-site scripting thing here? I don't think we are. Because that would be kind of insane to think that they actually have something like that even set up on the box, you know. So I don't think that there would be like an automated user on this box. I don't know if TryHappy can even do that. I don't know. But okay. Main.js image. What is an image? I also want to do a zap too. Okay, the images are literally just the images. Okay. This is like an upload of some of that. Let's do a zap also on this guy. See if we can spider him, find anything on that, and we'll start to work our way from there. Yeah, update all. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted their IP address. Every reason we download that script, this guy like right here, there has to be a reason for it. Has to be a reason we can download that. You know what I'm saying? Like there's no. Just gotta figure out the reason that we can download it now. Pass list. Man. Why can we download you? We got Route 47. We figured that out so far. We're pretty sure it's going to be Route 47. From there, what do we have on the webpage itself? Overpass. Add. Location. Let's see here. Just gotta look through this guy like real quick, see if I can see anything in here. Login form. Username required. Password, type password required. Okay. Memory, performance, file editor. Network, storage. I don't see anything in there for that. Admin doesn't work. Admin password doesn't work. Huh. And let's go ahead and spider. We'll do attack. We'll do a spider on this guy. See if we can get anything with that. And we'll start to do that spider and see what we got with that. Other than that, that's kind of at a loss here. Download, builds, yep. Okay, well, I mean, that's just about everything right there. Let's go ahead and keep looking. See if we can find anything in here. Photos, downloads. Did I find more? Yeah, login.js. Login script. Okay. Let's see. Did I find something with login.js? Status or cookie equals that. Cookie set, session token, status or cookie. So that means that we can create our own cookie. Is this the exact thing? Overpass. I just found the right thing. Does that mean that we can create our own cookie like right there? Yeah. CTF drone overpass nodes. So like we just kind of pop in our own cookie and See what happens from there. This is all the overpass. I guess let's try to do that. Seems like that's what everyone else did. They did something with that. I know that much. F12. And what do we have now? We had cookie set. I think I can just do like can I add a cookie? Name. I don't even know what my name would even be. Can we do it in console? Cookies dot set. Nope. Is that a thing? Like cookie set. Is that like a thing? Okay, yeah, it is. Cookie set, and then from there, here's our cookies. Cookie set session token. So please do something like that. Is my question. Just like nothing at all, and just say that's my session token. So it'd be like session token, right? Comma there. Or do I have to put like a space between those two? Do I have to do something like that? There should be session token there. We'll be soon rejected because the same site attribute set to none or invalid. Okay. Refresh. Cool. So that worked. So cookie set 100% worked. That's because it's just looking for any session token status or cookie. It's not actually like pulling up from somewhere or giving me like a random value. It's just looking for a session token, really. So I mean that like right there tells us that, you know, we can definitely get something there. What user is this? James. Okay. Cool. So now we have ID RSA or nano. James RSA. SSH to John. Locate SSH to John. Python / user share John SSH to John. Because I did see that was encrypted. If you didn't notice, it says encrypted like right here. So we are. I'm just going to throw it right into John the Ripper. Okay. And the password is James13. Cool. So let's go ahead and do change mode to that. Change mode 600 to James RSA, and then from here we will do a. After this, we'll do a SSH tag I. James RSA. His password is James13 for this one, right? Not really his password, but his passphrase for this. James RSA, that's going to be James at the box IP address, which is right here. Alright. Yes, that's fine. And we have James 13. 13. And now we're in James. Last XLA, cat.user.text. Awesome. If you're just joining us, we were able to log in through JavaScript, utilizing session cookies that were not properly handled. Alright, what's this all? Overpass. Is that Route 47 stuff like right here? Okay, let's see here. What if I can just go with CyberChef? Wonder if he can do it. Do you make Route 47 here, Cyber Chef? Decode. Decrypt. Name, system, pass. Say drawing picture. Say say drawn line picture. Say draw line picture? What are you talking about? That could also be the thing that's now been claimed. So let's go ahead and cat that to do.text. We got update overpass encryption. Playing is not strong enough. Write down my password somewhere on a sticky note. Test overpass for Mac OS. Ask Paradox how we got the automated build script working and where the builds go. They're not updating on the website. So there's an automated build script which tells me that there was a cron job. So we could always cat that. Pretty sure I can cat cron jobs on here. Let me see here. CD into scripts. Pretty sure I got cron job stuff on here. Cron job lookup. Cat SC cron child. Alright. And cron mostly one part support. Root curl overpass THM download source build script sh bash. That's probably gonna be what we're gonna attack, like right there. That's what I think we're gonna attack. You know, like that's so. Is that running as root? Yeah, root. Okay. So I wonder if we can put in the build script.sh. I wonder if we can mess with that at all. So that's in overpass.thm. Download source build script.sh. So let's go ahead and cd back. It's definitely overpass.thm somewhere. CD into overpass. It's in download. CD back. Oh, it's probably CD in the var. www. That's good. And I'm not seeing anything in here to where that guy actually is. That overpass.thm, like right there. Like, where is he sitting at? You know? If he's not in var www, then he needs to be somewhere that can talk. Let's see, host overpass.thm. There we go. Alright, so 127.0.0.1. So we're obviously talking about that, like right there. We're talking about 127.0.0.1. From there, well, I'm thinking we just make a reverse shell, in all honesty, and we just use like a PHP reverse shell, I guess, and we just throw that into build script.sh. I don't think we should. We could probably just do like a bash reverse shell, in all honesty. And we can just try it like that, or even like a Python. I wonder if there's Python running on this guy. Like, which Python? Which Python? 3? Okay, so we do have Python 3. We might just be able to do a bash reverse shell. Let's go ahead and cat. I think I have it in here, bash reverse shell. There we go. And all I would do is change out the IP address, obviously. So I'll obviously do a, I'll copy this, do an ifconfig 10.9.8.1.66. We just grab this whole thing. What we're going to try to do is actually put this in between the two. I did download buildscript.sh, right? So can I re-upload buildscript? Can I delete buildscript.sh? Locate on here. Let's try that. Okay. Of course not. Does buildscript.sh actually exist on this guy? Because it's not saying that he doesn't exist like right now. So what I'm wondering is, does buildscript.sh actually even exist? That's something we can be thinking about like right now. Because it's not locating him. Trying to locate that buildscript.sh. We can't locate him. But if he were to exist, where does he exist at? And that's another problem that we're going to run into. You know what I'm saying? So, we got the cron job. Supposedly, he's in download source buildscript.sh. We've already found him in Etsy host. So is it just straight up like download? Let's go back to CD. CD back to home. Whoops. CD into James. Cat that to do.txt again. And as paradox, I'll make build script. Oh yeah, cat Etsy cron tab. So he's got that running right. He's going to download source. So let's go ahead and CD into downloads. Alright, that's good. How the heck do I get into downloads? Because I feel like I have to upload that into downloads. Or do I have to make that directory? And so where do I make that directory? That's what my problem is right now. Man. Of course, permission is denied. Where do I make this directory at? Overpass THM. Can't get anything. Is it going to locate anything for me? No. Like I'm literally in James. It's not going to locate James. Okay, so it will locate stuff for me. I mean, that's not it, but it does locate things for me. So I'm just trying to figure out where I actually put the file now. That's what I can't figure out like right now. Can I CD in the root? Nope. So I can't CD in the root. Where can I actually put this file? Like, where can I... This would be like the hardest part. Doesn't matter where I put it. Can I just make... can I change the password to do something? Because right now I'm just thinking. If anyone else has an idea, please throw it out there for me. Because I have no clue how to increase my privileges here. Or if anyone else does, can I do a nano for? I feel like I shouldn't be able to. Even on my system, I have to do a sudo for this, but Overpass THM. Can I take this and make it my IP address? Can do that. Yes, I can. Okay, so I can do that. So if I can do that, then hold up. Hey, exit out here. Overpass. Make directory. We are looking for downloads. Make directory. Downloads. Because overpass.thm is me now, right? I just changed that up, right? So we're going to make a directory for downloads. Source. Oh, make directory for downloads. CD and downloads now. Make directory for source. CD and source. And then we need to make a build script.sh. Nano a build script.sh. And this should really be able to do whatever how I want to do, as long as it's being piped into bash, I think. So that's what I'm thinking. That I can really have it do whatever the hell you want. And just have it just... Do we even have to bash anything? Which... root.txt from... subscribe.txt. Pull it down, ham there. We do something like that. Just not even worry about it. Let's do a Python sudo Python tacm simple server, simple HTTP server port 80. And is this thing actually going to pull it? I think it runs once a minute. Like, even if it does pull it, do I have to have a listener on? You know what I'm saying? You got it. Damn it. Should be a subscribe.txt in here. That's the problem like right now. We should have just saw something like that. Subscribe.txt should actually be, because our build script, right? So if we actually go to our build script, go to home, James, subscribe.txt, we're trying to cat root.txt. Sam. So it should be root.txt. I'm trying to save it into home James subscribe.txt. May have to do something like .80, may have to do like a bind. Like, we'll see, bind to my IP address again, which, let me go ahead and grab my IP address. I have config. Ooh, you know what else? I may have to actually start this up in a couple directories back also. So I might have to actually do a cd back, then start that up. Because he's going to be going to overpass.thm. So he's going to be going to overpass.thm, downloads, source, and then that buildscript.sh. Did I even save that as buildscript.sh? Buildscript.sh. Yes, I did. Alright, cool. So hopefully in a minute here, he'll pull something. If that still doesn't work, I'm thinking just create a reverse shell, and we'll go from there. And hopefully that works, I guess. We just create that reverse shell, and we'll see what happens with that. So we could probably use, like, you know, the Pentest Monkey reverse shell. There's probably quite a few reverse shells that we can use, actually. Come on, hurry up. Do something other than what you're doing. Alright, so we got it. Cool. Subscribe.txt. That was just made that file, and that should have catted root and then root.txt. Go ahead and cat that subscribe.txt. And a sure update. So we catted the root.txt, but because we kind of cheated, we didn't actually get root, right? So let's get root. I mean, yeah, we got the root.txt, but I feel like we kind of cheated the system on that one. So let's change up this build script. Let's go ahead and cat. I want to just do that reverse shell. That scripts bash reverse shell, I'm thinking something like that. I want to just do something like this, throw him into here, change out this IP address, throw him at it and see if that works. The create a listener on 9999, I guess, 10.9.8.166, 9.8.166. I'm sure there is a way to be able to do this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and echo this into into buildscript.sh. Now whenever I echo, or whenever I cat buildscript.sh, it should just be that guy now. So now what I want to do is create a listener. Actually, I could just do it like right there, whatever. And see LVMP 9999. Now hopefully that works also. Hopefully. Then we should actually become root. If not, we're going to try that one like that RMTMP thing. And we'll try something like that. And yeah, for root, cool. So that also works too. So now we can just CD into root. Whoopsie daisy. CD into root. LS-LA. And then we can cat our root.txt out also. Okay. There's also a go directory in here. So we got CD into go. And just keep source. Oh, this is probably the thing that we already found, huh? Oh, GitHub.com. So we got it this way also. Cool. See if there's any other ways to get in. I mean, it'll be the same exact thing. We just keep on putting it there. But I'm wondering if there's any other opportunities for us to be able to get in like that. So we did a cat subscribe.txt. We got that one. We got a build script running to grab it like that for our bash script. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and cat scripts. See what else we can do in here. I know there's gonna be full shell. Think we do a netcat reverse. Yeah, this guy like right here. Can we do this one? So let's go ahead and echo. This is run on 424242. Clear him. Then we'll do an IF config again. I always forget my IP address. 10.98.166. Let's see if this works. And we'll go ahead and 4242. And we'll also save him to build script.sh. Now, if we were to do a double like that, just so you know, whenever we're doing this like right here, damn it, whenever we're doing this guy like right here, if we actually do a double, that would append the document and wouldn't overwrite it. So right now we overwrote it, right? But you could just append the document and have like a whole bunch of reverse shells, especially with something like this. You could just have a whole bunch of reverse shells all pointing at the same port, just sitting on that document. So you could have like, like this guy in there, and then, a couple of Princess Monkey ones, and then the Bash one. You could have all the stuff. You got the scribe thing in there. So it's just overwriting all this stuff, and it's just going through and just writing those different things. Which will then, obviously, if you have enough in there, one of them's eventually going to work. So, should be getting another one coming across soon. Hopefully. 905. Last one was at 904.26. Hopefully we get another one coming across here in a minute, and we'll see if that one also works. Maybe if I actually start over freaking... No, I do have web zero, we'll say. So, we'll see if that one works, and we'll go from there. After this guy, it obviously works. Oh, yep, it worked. Cool. So I was about to say, we just got it. So, ID, whoops. Yep, and we're still root. So, pretty much it's looking like anything works. Like, netcat reverse shell worked. The bash reverse shell worked. So it's looking like, just any way you can get a reverse shell into there works. We figured that out from the to-do.txt, remember? And we were able to log in by looking at that JavaScript and realizing that you don't need cookies to log in, or that the cookie session can be blank to log into that guy. So that was kind of a longer one. This is easy. I don't know if I really thought that one was too easy, but that was a little bit difficult. But it just really depends on what you're good at. But yeah, I thought that was a little more difficult one, like right there. But it was a fun one. I definitely had fun with it. So hopefully you guys learned something. I definitely learned something today. And yeah, I definitely learned something on that THM and everything. That was a lot of fun to look at and get into. That overpass.thm, then going into that cat, that etc host file, and then changing it, and having it point back to me and everything. So that was a lot of fun. You got any questions? Leave them below. Didn't really do much with that round 47, but that's okay. And if you guys want to see me do any boxes or anything like that, put them down below, and I'll try to get to them. Stick with the free ones on Try Hack Me, the actual live ones on Hack the Box, and Proving Grounds, Bald Hope, whatever you guys want to see, alright? So have a good one. And yeah, that should be about it. Y'all have a good night.